Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by preparing both devices. Plug the charger in and get the watch to at least half battery so pairing won't interrupt. Once done, install and open the DAFT Fit app on your phone, enable Bluetooth and location services, and create or sign into your account. Make sure the watch screen is awake and showing a pairing code or device name. Then in the app, tap Add Device, choose your watch model, and confirm the code when it appears to pair. Once paired, you'll configure the core settings so the watch works the way you want. First, grant the app permissions for notifications, contacts, and sensor access, because that enables calls, messages, and heart rate tracking. Next, choose your watch face, set units and daily step or calorie goals, and schedule Do Not Disturb if needed. Make sure to start an initial sync in the app, and follow any calibration prompts for heart rate or step count. Now you're ready to use core features. Start workouts directly on the watch or from the app, and swipe through widgets for heart rate, sleep, and notifications. Make it a habit to charge nightly and accept firmware updates in the app to keep stability and new features. If something goes wrong, like missed notifications or unresponsive screen, first restart the watch, make sure Bluetooth and permissions are enabled, and repair if needed. That resolves most connection and sync problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.